EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Martich here with your outlook for November 13th, 2023. It is Monday. We're back to work again, and Kinsley's Family Market in Broadheadsville, Monroe County, Pennsylvania, sponsors the Monday video forecast. We are now in the second full week of November, and that means it's about that time to start thinking about your holiday preparations if you haven't done so already. At Kinsley ShopRite, they have all the expertise to make your holiday dinners extra special. Platters, pies, smoked hams, turkeys, and much more. Their catering department can deliver on a feast that your family and friends will rave about. Savor the season and make it extra special with the help of Kinsley's catering department this holiday season. They are Kinsley ShopRite, located at 107 Kinsley's Drive in Broadheadsville, Monroe County, Pennsylvania. Proud sponsors of the Monday video forecast. And speaking of that, about it's that time of year, I'll tell you what, my house looks like Santa paid an early visit to it because my wife likes to decorate for Christmas, at least inside, before Thanksgiving starts. I don't know. Must be a woman thing, a Hallmark Channel thing. I don't know what it is, but it looks like the Santa and the reindeers came to my house a little early. A little too early for me. Today we have another cool day because we still have this trough in place. We were talking about this boundary the last couple weeks here, and that's in large part kept in place because this high pressure is off to our west. So you get a flow around it like this, around that high pressure, keeping the cooler air in the beginning of the week. At the same time, we are going to have a mid-level disturbance moving off to our north. This is not going to have much precipitation with it, and it's mainly going to be north of our region. But I cannot completely rule out that right along the New York-Pennsylvania border into the northeast corner of Pennsylvania, you might get a stray shower this evening or overnight, maybe even a snow shower, not out of the question in those areas. And actually, the NAM does have that. This is looking at 10 p.m. this evening, and you get through the overnight. It's very close to the Pennsylvania border here. I wouldn't be surprised, again, if you see a little rain or snow shower going into very early Tuesday morning. But the rest of us are going to be mostly sunny today and mostly clear overnight. So this is going to just affect our northern areas. I will say that there will be a little bit more clouds further south, so it's going to allow you to overnight. So that's going to allow you to keep the temperatures from going too cold like it was last night. Last night it was very cold, and it's actually the time I'm recording this video. It's about an hour, actually 2 hours before midnight almost, and it's already 28 degrees here at my house. So it's pretty cold Sunday night here. As we get into the day on Tuesday, it's a very similar day, mostly sunny skies, and temperatures are going to be very similar too, as you see above me. 50 to 55 is the spread today, 50 to 56 tomorrow. Not really much difference there going from Monday to Tuesday. And then once we get to Wednesday, high pressure is going to be sliding just off to the east, but it's still pretty much over top of us. So here's that high right here. It's just offshore at this point, but it still extends out like this. Okay, so you're still getting cooler-ish temperatures on Wednesday, but we'll call that at intervals of clouds and sun with this high pressure nearby, and that's going to lead to temperatures that are going to get up maybe in the middle 50s, out a couple degrees, what we're going to have for the next couple of days, and that's what your Wednesday's like, with a mix of clouds and sun, and then mostly sunny here on Thursdays. This high pressure moves offshore on Thursday, off the coast. The return flow around this high is now like this, and that gets winds into from the southwest. That means Thursday is going to be a mild day. We're going to get temperatures 60 or above in a lot of locations. So it's going to be a nice, mostly sunny day with that milder air coming in temporarily. This is all ahead of this cold front. It's going to come through here on Friday. The idea here right now, as far as best timing, is it's going to have showers with it. It's going to be mostly cloudy in the morning, and then showers move in during the afternoon and evening, and then continues into at least part of the overnight. Low pressure may form along this boundary near the Carolinas and move northeastward as well, which would be great. We could use a little bit of enhancement of rainfall along this frontal boundary so that we get a little bit more than just a few pesky showers, because we definitely need it. We are way behind in this fall in terms of the dryness that we've had, but we'll see how this evolves throughout the week. Right now, we're looking at showers at a minimum. That's going to start Friday afternoon and go through part, or if not most, of the overnight, and then once we get into Saturday and Sunday, we are back to dry conditions. Partly cloudy Saturday and mostly sunny Sunday, but we're going to have temperatures back down again. So you warm up the end of the week after being cool to start the week through midweek. Once we get to Thursday, you're 60 or into the lower 60s, and then we're looking at Friday going to be in another 60 to 65 degree range day. ahead of that cold front and those showers. On the opposite side of that, Saturday, you're back in the middle 50s, probably lower 50s by the time we get to next Sunday, but we are looking dry next weekend as it stands right now. I'm EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Martich. That is your outlook for November 13th, 2023. Have a great Monday.